Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Hoqoe, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class of class Nursery. Our today's topic is missing number part 2. In this part, I will show how to write the missing numbers. Here is a gap, here is a gap, here is also another gap, here is a gap, here is a gap, here is also gap. In this way, I have to fill up this gap. The students, in my previous class, I have shown how to fill up these gaps. Filling up these gaps is known as missing number. This gap will be filled by some numbers. These gaps will be filled by some numbers. These numbers are known as missing number here. Let us see how can we fill up this gap. By which number we can fill up? The students, you know numbers 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 10 numbers here I have written. Observe that here tens position is 1, here is also 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 1, 1, 1. Up to 9, we are observing that except 20, in tens position of all the numbers, we are looking the digit 1. And every time one's position is changing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this way, one's position is changing. It means that here first one is 1, here is 2. Before 2, in one's position we can write 1. The students, now observe the given numbers. Here is tens position 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. It means that tens position of all the numbers is 8. And every time one's position is changing 2, 3, 6, 8, 9. It means that we have to observe as tens position is same, so we can write tens position 8 and 2 is in one's position here. Before 2 in one's position we are observing 1 is in one's position, so we can write here 1. Now this is 81, this is 82, 83. After 83, it means after 1, one's position is 4. So we can write here 8 is in tens position, as 8 is in tens position of all the given numbers. Here after 3, we are looking here 4 in one's position, so we can write here 4 in one's position. Now here is also 8, here is also 8. So tens position of this number will be also 8. It means that after 84 we will get, after 4 one's position is 5, so we can write here one's position 5. So we can say '85, '84. These are missing numbers here, and 81 is also missing number. Now 86 is given. What is the next number after 86? The next number should be, after 6 the one's position is 7, so we can write here 87. This is also missing number. Now we have to fill up the last gap. Here is 88, here is 89, and after 9, dear student, observe, after 9 we will get 0 is in 1's position. 0 is in 1's position, and here 1 is in 10's position, but here 2 is in 10's position. It means that 10's position is increased by 1, is increased by 1. After 1 we will get 2 10's position. So after 8 we will get 10's position 9. After 8 we will get 10's position 9, as 1's position is 0. Now dear students, observe here, first one is 81, then 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, then 90. The students, you can fill up this blank in another way also. Here the given numbers are 82, 83, here is a gap, here is a gap, 80, here is another gap, 86, here is gap, 88, 89, and last one is gap. Dear students, you know before 81 the number is, before 82 the number is 81, before 82 the number is 81, after 83 the number is 84, after 84 the number is 85, after 85 that is 86, after 86 the number is 87, after 89 the number is 90. You have learned this in the class, both class of writing words and writing numbers. You have learned this. So you can fill up these blanks using this technique also. Okay dear students, now go to the next question. 5 gaps given here also. Okay, what is given here? 93. Dear students, you know from 91 up to 100, you know 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and then 100. You know these 10 numbers. Here before 93 here is 92. So we can write in this gap 92. Before 92 you will see here 91 in the gap. Then after 93 you will get 94. After 95 you will get 96. After 95 you will get 96. After 97 you will get 98. So we will get 98 here, 98, 96, 91, 92, and then 94. These 5 gaps are given here. I have filled up these gaps. The students observe again. Here is 93 given. 93 is given here. Before 93, here is 92. So I have written here 92. Before 92, a gap given. Before 92, the number is 91. So we can write 91 here. Then here is a gap given. And after 93 the number is 94, so we can write 94 in the gap, and 95 is given again. Then after 95 we will get the number 96, so we can write here 96. 97 is given, again gap is given here. After 97 the number is 98, the number is 98, so we can fill up this gap by 98. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's topic. Do this as your homework in your assigned homework copy. This is your homework 5. Submit your homework every Sunday on the school library. Dear students, homework is important for annual examination as your CT marks and SBA marks will be given based on the performance of your homework. So submit your homework properly. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.